Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jayla Mitchell, also known as NaturalReign, and if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe down below and then click the notification bell so you don't miss my new uploads. So today I'm gonna be doing this sleek ponytail. It's sleek, honey. I did that on my thick type 4 hair. Listen, it is a process, but if you are willing to take all the steps that it takes to get your hair to lay flat, I got the perfect video for you. I'm finna teach y'all my ways. But this, at first, for the longest, y'all, I did not believe that my hair could go into like an actual really sleek ponytail, but now I'm convinced. I figured it out like, I don't know, a couple years ago, and I've done a video on it, but I thought it was time to go ahead and update y'all and also try it using the Style Factor Edge Booster Gel. So, I mean, y'all see what you gonna get. Y'all see the results, okay? So I'm just gonna go ahead and get into the video. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna take all of this hair and slick it to the back of my head. It'll be fun. It will be fun. I really just want to try this Edge Booster Gel to sleek my hair. I already did it on the wet look and I'll have that video linked up there, but this time I'm really gonna be trying it to see if I can get it in a low ponytail. I think so. I've been able to do it, but I will tell y'all, like, I'm a lot rusty, but I still think I got this. So my trick is divide and conquer. That really helps. So that's what I'm gonna do. And I also like to do this on really wet hair, but first things first, I'm gonna section my hair off. How do I want to do this? I'm gonna do it like this. Okay, I'm just gonna section my hair and apply a leave-in, because before I apply the gel, I need my hair to be like really moisturized. So this is the high porosity leave-in conditioner. I use this all the time. I'll have it linked in the description box, but it is like my favorite all-time leave-in because it's so thick and moisturizing. So I'm just gonna spray my hair down some more and then just apply the leave-in. All right, y'all, so now that I have the leave-in applied all the way to my hair, and yes, you see this white residue, it will dry, so it won't stay like this. I'm just gonna do the part. I do want to do a side part. Y'all, bear with me because I'm not the best at parting my hair at all. It is for the most part how I want it. Just want it a little straighter. A tad bit straighter. Then I think I'm gonna just curve it a little bit in the front, just a smidget. Scratch that. I don't really like the curve. I'm gonna keep it straight. All right, so now that I have my part, the name of the game is divide and conquer. So I'm just gonna section the bottom half. Now I'm gonna apply some water. And I'm gonna take this bristle brush and just brush it in the back. And then I'm gonna take the Edge Booster Gel, kind of lay it on thick. And then I'm gonna brush it again. The key is you really want your hair to lay flat, if at all possible. And then I'm gonna take a ponytail holder or a little scrunchie and I'm gonna put it in a ponytail. Just wrap it around twice so it's tight enough. And then I'm gonna work on the harder side first because this side has more hair. I just know it's gonna take more time, but basically I'm just going through and I'm taking sections that aren't very big at all, so my hair will lay flat. Then I'm taking the gel, applying it on both sides, and then taking out the ponytail. I know this has so many steps, but when your hair is thick, and put it back in a ponytail. Now I'm basically just gonna keep repeating this step or these steps until my hair is sleek on both sides. Okay, weirdly enough, I ain't never tried the blueberry one before until now, but I feel like this one has a stronger hold, which sounds so ridiculous, but they even look different. Like this one is clear and then that one is like white. I don't really know why, but in my mind, this has a stronger and better hold. So I'm just gonna apply that over it. Oh, you know what? It's not in my mind anymore. It definitely has a better and stronger hold. This is what I was looking for. Okay, so from here, I'm just gonna take the comb and kind of comb through it a little more so it could be a little more sleek. But you see, if you do a really good job of like taking the sections and everything, you should just be able to do this. Like just, and never in my life am I able to just comb my hair like this. And then I'm gonna take some more gel. Surprise, surprise. Then I'm gonna take some more of the leave-in to just moisturize this little section right here. Now I'm gonna take this pantyhose, like I cut it up, that's how I make my hair ties, and just gonna make sure everything is slick, like how I want it. Brush it one last time before it goes in this ponytail. Then just gonna tie it around until it feels really secure. Might take me, it's like number 3. Okay, so that is the 4th time around. Then I'm gonna pull it in the back. Okay, so now I'm gonna take another one, do the same thing. Y'all, this is a process. I lied to you not. This is how it's looking right now. Just gonna take it again. Okay, so now I'm gonna take out my edges and kind of do a little something. I really don't even know. This is where you could get creative. Try different stuff, you know? So I'm basically gonna do the same thing I did on this side. Just get creative with it pretty much. Okay, y'all, so this is what my hair is looking like on both sides. Ponytail, ponytail. So I'm just gonna go ahead and lay down my hair using my headscarf. Just gonna tie it down. And I'm gonna take another headscarf, tie it down again. Okay, so I know I look a mess, but I'm just gonna let this sit for 10 minutes and then my hair should be laid and slayed. All right, y'all, so what y'all think? Did I do that or did I do that? Because I feel like I did that. Comment down below, let me know what y'all think of my ponytail. I know I don't usually do hairstyles or whatever, and also my ponytail is not completely dry. Do you know how long it's gonna take to dry? It's just wet hair sitting on top of itself, that it's going to take a decent amount of time to dry, so I really didn't have that time. But basically it's just gonna end up, you know, being more up. But the whole point of this video was to show y'all how I get my hair to lay flat. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.